A ballad is a poem that tells a story. But what structural rules create this specific form? Let's start with a raw, unstructured paragraph about a knight on a quest. The term actually comes from the Italian word ballare, which literally means to dance. Here is how it dances. The unstructured story is formally divided into exact 4-line blocks. These foundational architectural units are called stanzas. But if it rhymed at the end of every line, the story would stall and feel repetitive. The solution is an alternating rhyme scheme, strictly following an ABCB or ABAB pattern. This spacing creates that dancing rhythm without losing forward momentum. Historically, this structure split into 2 branches, the traditional folk ballad and the authored literary ballad. So the next time a poem feels less like reading and more like a dancing story, you are looking at the strict 4-line rhythm of a classic ballad.